Hello Happy Squad, welcome back. Alright guys, so today I'm going to try this method using baking soda to remove hair from your skin. So I've seen a lot of videos on this on YouTube, so I decided to give it a try. So firstly I'm going to show you how I turn the baking powder into liquid form. Okay, so just keep on watching. So now it's time to try it. So as you can tell, I'm a very hairy person. Okay, I'm a hairy girl. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cotton wool. I will dip it into the liquid form, the soda, baking soda liquid form, and then rub it all over my hand. I try to rub it for 30 to 45 seconds, as you can tell right here. So guys, guess what? I saw no single strand of hair. There was no single strand of hair out from my skin. I was like, this method is a no for me. It's a no, guys. It's a no, big time. So I'm not it was so funny. I was laughing the hell out after the result. So yeah, this is me trying it out, and I'll say no guys, no. So you see, this very part is where, this is how my hand looks like when it was dry. So let me know your thought if you've tried this method. What do you think, guys? So please subscribe if you're here for the first time, and watch out for the Black and White family.